Cummings, wonderful performance. Your team is back into the final. How are you feeling right now? Man, the match performance.
First and foremost, I want to give thanks to God, you know. I mean, I can't explain this feeling right now, but we are very grateful for this win.
Tell us about the plan going to this game in the defensive aspect of it. What did the coach tell you guys to do in the defensive part of the game today against a team that looks like we're going to create some opportunity against your team?
First and foremost, he just told us that we just have to keep a clean sheet, and once we keep a clean sheet, we're going to win the game.
In terms of the attack, your team scored first. Same line down in Montego Bay. Really put Montego Bay United on the back foot. Tell us about that first goal and how you felt when you scored first.
I mean, it's a great feeling, you know. I mean, we already talk about that. We have to get a early goal to like sink them, but we got a lot of more chances. We could have finished them from in the first half as well, but it didn't go away.
Talk to us about your game now, as a the centre back, who one of the better centre back in the team. Talk us through your game.
I mean, it's not only me, you know. It's a collective team effort, you know, and I couldn't do it without my teammates.
Thank you, Cummings. Continue putting in the good work. Looking forward to seeing the final and great performance.
Thank you so much.